Is right now the best time to buy JD.com? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video. And to answer this question, we're going to use this Fibonacci retracement tool. So if we have a look at the price here, we can see that from around these lows, price went up to this high before we started seeing some retracement. So if we draw the Fibonacci tool from that low up to this high, we get something like this. In the stock market, when prices start retracing, they usually tend to come down to this dark green area known as the golden zone, find some strong support here and bounce back up. We can see that JD.com has also followed this pattern, and more recently it has been finding support at this Fibonacci area. So based on this, what are some good prices to get into this stock at? The first price where you might want to consider getting into the stock or potentially averaging down at is going to be around here. This is $38. The level below this is going to be around here. This is $35.96. And the next level is this level here. This is $33. It is the end of the golden zone and we have seen strong support here in the recent past. So if the price comes back down to retest it, there's a high chance we could find support here again, making this area a good potential entry point. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place, and to get an exit strategy, we can use this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding JD.com or planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you're curious about how I do this and how you can too, I've put together a free video explaining everything. The link to it is in the description below, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. So coming back to the Fibonacci extension tool, if we do something similar to before, going from this low up to this high, and this time if we pull this tool down to where this retracement has ended around here, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is as stock prices start climbing up, these are the areas where we tend to see some resistance. And knowing this, investors using this tool like to lock in some profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some areas where you might want to consider taking some profits? The first area where you might want to lock in some profits is going to be around here. This is $56. The level above this is going to be around here. This is $71. The third level is $94, and the fourth level is going to be here, which is $118. So locking in some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price reaches these key levels, so if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you want to see the analysis of a specific stock, then feel free to leave those in the comment section below and I'll make a video around those. And if you found the video helpful, consider dropping a like on the video as that helps out the channel a lot. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you'd like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.